So this question says factorize the following expression fully, which is worth 3 marks, So how can we factorize this one? So this one is the factor is that type of questions whereby we have to factorize by grouping, perfect. So how do you factorize by, if you don't know how to factorize by grouping, I also made the videos of lessons just before this one. You can go and watch it. It's going to help you understand how to deal with these questions. So if you haven't watched it, please go, and I'll also put it in the description box. So yeah, I'm not going to detail absolutely. I'm just going to get straight to the point how to solve this question. So here we're going to group something that we can be able to take out the common factor from, So we cannot group this 6 and 25, we cannot, there is no common factor between 6 and 25. We have to group something that we can be able to take out the common factor in future, So this and this one, we can be able to take out the common factor of what? Of this is a common factor of 6 and 10, there's a highest common factor of 2, and then x and y, we can be able to take a lot of that one. And 15 and 25, there's a common factor of 5, So we have to group something that we can be able to take out a common factor from in future. So we're going to group them first. We're going to have 6x squared y minus 10xy close brackets plus 15x minus 25. And will you believe if I tell you that you already have 1 mark if you have grouped this for this question? So what you need to do next is, now is that time to take out the common factor. So remember, guys, this the common factor between this is what? Is 2. And then for the variables, we're going to have x and y, we're imitating what is here. If you have watched our previous video just before this one, I give you a technique how to understand how to take a common factor of this. So we're going to have this. What is something we can be able to multiply with 2x and give us this 6xy? It's going to be 3x, because when we multiply with this one, we're getting what? 6xy. I'm just explaining to those who don't understand. So something that we can be able to multiply with this 2xy and give us this negative 10xy there. It's going to be negative 5. If we multiply this one with this, we're going to get that negative 5. So even here, we're going to take out the common factor. So the common factor here is going to be, the highest one is going to be 5. So I'm going to say plus 5, open brackets. So from here, what is the number we can be able to multiply with 5 and then it give us number we can be able to multiply with and then it give us 15x. So it's going to be what? It's going to be 3x. If we multiply these two, we're getting that number. If you don't understand how we get this, please guys go and watch those videos. It's going to help you a lot on how to do this. So here we're going to have a 3x. What is something we can be able to multiply with 5 and give us 25? It's going to be negative 25 now. It's going to be negative 5, So if you pay close attention here, we are on that one whereby we have to take a common factor, something that is common between these two terms that are here. So something that is common between these two terms is 3x minus 5 and 3x minus 5. This is common between these two terms. So we're going to take it out, which is 3x minus 5 close brackets. And if we take this one here, what is going to be left on that one? We're going to be left with 2xy. And if we take this one as a common factor, what is going to be left here? We're going to be left with plus 5. And you are done with this question.